My favourite part of the design process is coming up with the idea and solving. I don't usually call them problems, I call them opportunities. It's just coming up with something creative and especially taking the client along for the ride. Some designers work in isolation. I much prefer working in front of someone and having them suggest things, and I can interpret them and turn them into something that belongs in the project, and suddenly the client owns that design. They can see me drawing it in front of them. They're part of the project and part of the team and get much more out of the process. Architects will complain if their site's slopey, and architects will complain if their sites are flat. The more constraints, I think, the easier it is to design in some regard. You might think it's a problem, but again, those constraints will lead you in all sorts of directions you mightn't have gone if you're in a flat site. Our constraint out at Western Plains Zoo, it was a 360-degree view. You've just got to move with the flow. It's floating along in a current, and the design has a bit of a life of its own at times, and it's all those parameters pushing in all sorts of directions, and the creativity comes out in solving those opportunities, or not problems, that point you in a particular direction. Yeah.